Yes, my dear. So welcome back to the another session. Okay. Yes. So we can start with the first question. So the question is that the inverse of the matrix is. You can see there are four options, and the matrix is 2, 5, 0, 0, 1, 1, and minus 1, 0, 3 is the matrix. Okay. Yes. So this is the matrix. 2, 5, 0. Yes. 2, 5, 0, and 0, 1, 1, and minus 1, 0, 3 is the matrix. So we need to find the inverse of this matrix. So how we can find the inverse of the matrix? So inverse of the matrix A inverse is equal to adjoint A divided by determinant of A. Okay, so first of all we can consider this one as matrix A. Okay, so A is equal to, yes, so this is A. So first of all, we can write the given matrix as A. So A is equal to 2, 5, 0 and 0, 1, 1 and minus 1, 0, 3. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. So hereafter, we can write A inverse is equal to adjoint A divided by determinant of A. So this is the formula. A inverse is equal to adjoint A divided by determinant A. So hereafter, first of all, we can find the determinant of this matrix. So we can find the determinant of the given matrix, that is, yes, determinant A is equal to, so first of all, 2 into 3, yes, 1 into 3, 3 minus 1 into 0. So we can write 2 into, yes, 2 into 3 minus 0 minus here, next 5 into, yes, 5 into, for the second one, 5 into this one. 0 into 3 minus 1 into minus 1. So it will become minus 5 into 0 plus 1. Plus the last one is 0 into any times means the answer is 0. So we can write 0 into, yes, 0 into 0 minus 1. Yes, 0 minus 1 means 0 plus 1. Okay, so this term will be equal to 0. So hereafter, we can write determinant A is equal to, yes, from here, we can write, yes, 2 into 3, that is 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 plus 0. So hereafter, we can write determinant A is equal to 6 minus 5, the value is 1. So the value of the determinant A is equal to 1. So, okay, so for this one, the value is equal to 1. So in this question, we need to find the inverse of the given matrix. So the inverse of the given matrix is equal to adjoint A divided by determinant A. Okay, first of all, we got the answer like determinant A is equal to 1. So hereafter, we can find the adjoint A. Okay, yes. So before finding the adjoint matrix, we need to find the minors and cofactors. Okay, so first of all, let me write the cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. Okay, so the cofactor matrix is, yes, so 3 minus 1, 1 and minus 15, 6 minus 5 and here 5 minus 2, 2. So this is the cofactor matrix. We know that adjoint is equal to adjoint matrix, adjoint A is equal to transpose of cofactor matrix. So we can write adjoint A. Adjoint matrix. Adjoint of matrix is equal to, this is the cofactor matrix. So transpose means we need to interchange the rows and columns. So yes. So the first row will become 3 minus 15, 5. And the second row is minus 1, 6, 2. And the third row is 1 minus 5, 2. Yes, so the adjoint matrix, adjoint A is equal to 3. Yes, the first row is 3 minus 15, 5. And the second row is minus 1, 6, 2. And the third row is 1 minus 5, 2. Okay, so in the question, we need to find the A inverse. Okay, so this is adjoint A. We know the value of the determinant A is equal to 1. So the next step is just substitute here. That is, determinant A is equal to 1. So we can write A inverse is equal to adjoint. So this is adjoint matrix. Yes. So adjoint 3. Once again, we can write this 3 minus 15, 5. Minus 1, 6, 2 and 1 minus 5, 2. divided by, yes, the value of the determinant is 1. So divided by 1 means this matrix. So this is the answer, A inverse. The inverse of the given matrix is this: 3, minus 15, 5, minus 1, 6, 2, and 1, minus 5, 2. Yes, so this is the inverse matrix. So, okay, so for the given question, the correct answer, option D is the correct answer for the given question. Okay, now we can move to the second one. Yes, second question. So the second question is given that if P and Q are symmetric matrices of the same order, then PQ minus QP is, they are asking us to, what is the value of, what is PQ, it's not value, what is PQ minus QP? Because you can see the 4 options there. The first one is symmetric matrix, and second one is skew symmetric matrix, and the third one is identity matrix, and the fourth one is zero matrix. Okay, so here we need to find which of them. So that is PQ minus QP. So we can move to the second one. It's already given. P and Q are which matrix? Symmetric matrix. Okay, P and Q are symmetric. Yes, so it's already given the question, P and Q are symmetric matrix. So what is symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix is nothing. P transpose is equal to P is known as symmetric matrix. So we can write P is equal to P transpose. This is a condition for symmetric matrix, and here also we can write Q is equal to Q transpose symmetric matrix. Okay, so in the given question we need to find PQ minus QP. We need to find what is this, whether it is a symmetric matrix or skew symmetric matrix or identity matrix or zero matrix, because there are 4 options there. Okay, so PQ minus QP, we need to find this. Okay, so first of all we can write PQ minus QP. So we can take the transpose. Okay, yes, so PQ minus QP dash, so that will be equal to, that is PQ dash. Yes, it's not transpose, it is PQ dash minus QP dash. Okay, that is PQ dash minus QP dash. So hereafter we can write, we know that P is equal to P dash and Q is equal to Q dash. We know this, P is equal to P dash and Q is equal to Q dash. So okay, so for this one we can substitute for the next, that is equal to PQ dash. For PQ dash we can write it as Q dash, yes, Q dash P dash, Q dash P dash minus P dash Q dash. Okay, so that is, first of all, PQ minus QP all dash is equal to, yes, PQ dash minus QP dash. So hereafter we can write Q dash P dash minus P dash Q dash. Okay, so what is this Q dash P dash? Q dash P dash. So that is equal to, we can write that is QP. Yes, so the QP minus PQ. QP minus PQ. So this is the right hand side, this is the left hand side. Okay, so QP minus PQ. So we can rearrange this, so it will become minus of PQ. Yes, minus of PQ minus QP. That means we are going to take minus common outside. Minus of PQ minus QP. So in the question we need to find what is PQ minus QP. So in the question we need to find what is this, PQ minus QP. Okay, so look at here, PQ minus QP, we got the answer like that is equal to minus of PQ minus QP. So minus of PQ minus QP means, we know that this is the condition for symmetric matrix. For a symmetric matrix we know that P is equal to P transpose, or P is equal to P dash, or Q is equal to Q dash. Okay, so here we got PQ minus QP is equal to which one? This is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer. P, yes, that is equal to minus of PQ minus QP. So that means this is a symmetric matrix. So here for the second question, option B is the correct answer. So this is a symmetric matrix. Yes. So this is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix, because the, yes, skew symmetric matrix. This is skew symmetric matrix because we got PQ minus QP is equal to minus of PQ minus QP. Yes, so that is a condition for a skew symmetric matrix. That is, P transpose is equal to minus P. Yes, P transpose is equal to minus P. Yes. So now we can move to the third question. So the third question is given that if 3a plus 4b dash is equal to, you can see a matrix there, 7, the first row is 7 minus 10, 17, and the second row is 0, 6, 31, and 2b minus 3a dash is equal to, you can see another matrix there. Okay, so the first column is minus 1, 4, minus 5, and the second column is 18, 0, 7. Then they are asking us to find b. Okay, so first of all, we can write 3a plus, yes, 3a plus 4b dash is equal to, 3a plus 4b dash is equal to 7, yes, 7 minus 10, 7 minus 10, 17, yes. So this is the first row, 0, yes, 0, 6, 31 is the second row. Okay, it's already given in the question. Okay, so the next is, so the next, that is 2b, yes, 2b minus 3a dash is equal to 2b minus 3a dash. It's already given the question, that is minus 1, 18, yes, minus 1, 18, 4, 0, minus 5, minus 7. Yes. Okay, so in the given question, we need to find the b. So first of all, we need to find b here. Okay, so first of all, I am just considering this, that is 3a plus 4b dash. 3a plus 4b dash. Yes, 3a plus 4b dash. So wait a second. Yes. So we need to find the b matrix here. So it's better to consider 2b minus 3a dash. It's better to consider this one, the second one. So 2b minus 3a dash. 2b minus 3a dash. Okay, so here also we can take a transpose 2b minus 3a dash, the all dash. So that is equal to 2b dash, yes, 2b dash minus 3a dash all dash. Okay, so this means that is equal to a dash all dash, so that is equal to a. Okay, so here we can write it is 3a minus, here it is 2b dash, so that is 2b dash minus 3a, that is 2b minus 3a dash, the all dash is equal to 2b dash minus 3a. So hereafter we can change this because this is 2b minus 3a dash. So we need to take the transpose of this matrix. Okay, so the transpose of this matrix is, yes, so the transpose of this one, that is 2b dash, yes, 2b minus 3 dash all dash is equal to, we got that is equal to 2b dash minus 3a. So that is 2b dash minus 3a is equal to, nothing, just take the transpose of this matrix, yes, transpose of this matrix. So that is equal to minus 1, yes, minus 1, 4, minus 5, minus 1, 4, minus 5, and here it is 18, 0, yes, 18, 0, it is minus 7, 18, 0, minus 7. Okay, so 2b dash minus 3a is equal to, yes, the first row is minus 1, 4, 5, and the second row is 18, 0, minus 7. So hereafter we can write the first one, the first hint, that is 3a plus 4b dash is equal to 3a plus 4b dash, that is already given this question because that is equal to 7 minus 10, 7 minus 10, 17, and here it is 0, 6, 31. So in this question, we need to find the matrix B. So now look at here. So hereafter, simply we can find the matrix B. So first of all, we can find B transpose or B dash from here. Okay. So after finding B dash, just take the, yes. So if we get B dash, simply we can find B. Nothing, just interchange the rows and columns. So simply we will get the matrix B. Okay. So from here, now look at here. 2b dash minus 3a is here, and here it is 3a plus 4b dash. So after that, just add this. Just add this. Okay. So if you are going to add this, you can see on the left hand side, this is the LHS and this is the RHS. Okay. So you can see minus 3a here and plus 3a here. So they will cancel each other. So we can write it is 6b dash is equal to, yes, minus 7, yeah, minus 1, 7. So minus 1, 7 means that is equal to 6. Minus 1, 7, 6. And here 4 minus 10. 4 minus 10, that is equal to minus 6. And here minus 5, 17, positive 17. So the value is 17 minus 5. The answer is 12. And here 18, 0. 18, 0 means 18. And here 6 minus 0. Yes, sorry, 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0 means 6 plus 0, that is equal to 6. Okay, so the next one is minus 7, 31. Okay, so that is 31 minus 7. 31 minus 7 is 24. 31 minus 7 is 24. Okay, nothing. Just add this because here 2b dash plus 4b dash is equal to 6b dash. So that is minus 1, 7. We got 6 and 4 plus minus 10, minus 6, minus 5. Plus 17, that is 12, and here 18 plus 0, that is 18, and 0 plus 6, 0 plus 6, the answer is 6, minus 7, 31, that is 24. Okay, so this is the matrix 6b dash. So hereafter, we can write b dash matrix. So how we can find b dash matrix? Nothing, just divide the all elements by 6. Divide the all elements by 6. Okay, so that is b dash is equal to, just divide the all elements by 6. Let me write the b dash. B dash is equal to, if you are going to divide the all elements by 6, we can write it as, yes, 1 minus 1, 2, because 6 by 6, the value is 1, minus 6 by 6, the value is minus 1, 12 by 6, that is equal to 2, and here 18 by 6, the value is, yes, 3, and 6 by 6, the value is 1, yes, 6 by 6, the value is 1, and here 24 divided by 6, the value is 4, the value is 4. So we can write b dash is equal to 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. Okay, so in the question, we need to find the matrix B. So the matrix B is equal to, yes, it's simple to find the matrix B from here because this is B dash or B dash, B transpose. So B dash is equal to, just interchange the rows and columns. So B is equal to, yes, B is equal to 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2, and here 3, 1, 4. 3, 1, 4. Okay, so this is the final answer. So this is the matrix B. Okay, so for this question, for the third question, the answer is option C is the correct answer. 3. Okay, the first column is 1, minus 1, 2, and 3, 1, 4 is the second column. Okay, so for the third one, option C is the correct answer. So the fourth question is given that if A is equal to, the matrix A is given as, the first row is 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, and matrix B is given as 2 minus 1, 1, 2. Then they are asking us to find the determinant of A, B, B dash. We need to find the determinant of A, B, B dash. Okay, so first of all, we can write the matrix A is equal to, it's given 1, 3. It's given 1, 3, 4, 2 is the matrix A. And the matrix B is given as, B is equal to, what about matrix B? Matrix B is given as 2, minus 1, 1, 2. So this is the matrix B. Okay, so we need to find determinant of A, B, B dash. So how we can find the determinant of A, B, B dash? It's simple. We can, first of all, we can find the determinant of matrix A. That is matrix A into, Yes, B. So that means determinant of B. So that is determinant of A into determinant of B into determinant of B dash. Okay. So in the question we need to find the determinant of A, B, B dash. Okay. So first of all we can find the determinant A. Determinant A is equal to, yes, 1 into 2. 2 minus 3 into 4. So we can write determinant of A is equal to, determinant A is equal to, the value is 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12, that means minus 10 is determinant A. Yes, and determinant B is equal to determinant of B. 2 into 2, 4 minus minus 1 into 1. Okay, so determinant B is equal to, 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, so that is equal to 5. Determinant B is equal to 5. Yes, and B dash. So we got determinant A is equal to minus 10 and determinant B is equal to 5. So hereafter the next one is, the last one is B dash. B dash means just interchange the rows and columns here. Okay, so let me write B dash here. So B dash is equal to, just interchange the rows and columns. So that is 2, 1, minus 1, 2. So B dash will be equal to 4 minus 1. So that means B dash is equal to 4 plus 1. So that is 5. Okay. Yes. So the determinant of B dash is equal to 5. Yes. So determinant A dash, the value is minus 10 and determinant B, the value is 5 and determinant B dash, the value is equal to 5. So in the question, this is the question. We need to find determinant of A, B, B dash. So just substitute the values here. So that is the final answer. Determinant A. So for determinant A, we got minus 10 into determinant B, the value is 5. And B dash, yes, determinant B dash, we got the value 5. So just substitute here. So what is the next step? 5 into 5, 25. So the final answer is minus 250 is the final answer. So that means for the given question, option A is the correct answer. Okay, minus 250 is the correct answer for this one. So the next question is given that if U is the universal set with 100 elements and A and B are two sets such that n of a number of elements on A is equal to 15 and number of elements on B is equal to 16. Okay, and it's given number of A intersection B. The number of A intersection B is equal to 20. So the question is that we need to find n of A dash. Yes, A dash intersection B dash. We need to find the value of this. You can see there are 4 options. Okay, so first of all, we can write the given hints once again. So n of U is equal to n of U, that is equal to, from the question we can write it as 100. N of U is equal to 100 and n of A is equal to n of A. So that will be equal to 50. Okay, it's already given the question, and n of B is equal to, n of A is equal to 15 and n of B is equal to 16. And also n of A intersection B is given the question, that is equal to A intersection B, that is equal to 20. N of A intersection B, the value is equal to 20. N of U is equal to 100. N of B is equal to 15. N of U is equal to 100. N of A is equal to 50 and N of B is equal to 60. Okay, so hereafter we can write n of A union B. We know that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus, yes, B minus n of A intersection, yes, A intersection B. So this is the formula. That is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So hereafter we can find n of b, n of A union B. So hereafter we can find n of A union B from here. How? Just substitute the values. N of A, that is 50. So 50 plus 60 minus A intersection B, 20. So n of A union B will be equal to, let me write the answer here, n of A union B. Okay. So in the next step, n of A, that is equal to n of A union B is equal to n of A, that is 50 plus 60, 50 plus 60 minus n of A intersection B. The value is 20. So just substitute this, that is equal to 20. Okay, 20. So 50 plus 60, the answer is 110. 110 minus 20. Okay, so for this one, n of A union B is equal to, the answer is 90. N of A union B is equal to, answer is 90. So in the question, we need to find n of A dash intersection, yes, A dash intersection B dash. We need to find this, A dash intersection B dash. So A dash intersection B dash is equal to n of A union B, the all dash, n of A union B, the all dash. Okay, n of A union B, the all dash. What is this? N of A union B, the all dash is equal to, that means this, let me write here, n of A union B, the all dash is equal to, yes, n of A union B, the all dash is equal to n of U minus universal set, n of U minus n of A union B, A union B. We can put it in a box. Yes. So that is n of A union B, the all dash will be equal to n of U minus n of A union B. This is union. Okay. So hereafter n of U, the value is given as 100. So 100 minus n of U, that is 100, n of A union B. We got n of A union B is equal to 90. So just substitute the values here, that is equal to 90. So the final answer is equal to 10. The final answer is equal to 10. So that means for the given question, n of A dash intersection B. So for the given question, A dash intersection B dash, intersection B dash, that is equal to 10. So this is the final answer. Okay. So for this question, option B is the correct answer. That is n of A dash intersection B dash. The value is 10. Okay. So now we can move to the next one. Okay. So the next question, the question is that the domain of the function, you can see the domain of the function f such that r tends to r, it's from real number to real number, is defined by f of x is equal to, it's defined by f of x is equal to root of, yes, root of x square minus 7x plus 12, x square minus 7x plus 12. Okay. You can see there are 4 options. So we need to find the interval in which x belongs to. Okay. So look at here. F of x is equal to root of x square minus 7x plus 12. So we know that the expansion, yes, the expansion, yes. So the expansion inside a square root must be greater than, yes, square root must be greater than or equal to greater than or equal to 0. Equal to greater than or equal to 0. Okay, the expansion inside a square root must be greater than or equal to 0. So that means this one, x square minus 7x plus 12 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so we can write that is equal to, I'm going to write this. So that is x square minus 7x plus 12. Yes, so that is greater than or equal to 0. So from here, we can factorize this. So that is x minus 4. We can write it as, while we are going to factorize this, x minus 4 into x minus 3. Yes, x minus 3, that is greater than or equal to 0. So from here, we can write x. Okay, so x belongs to, what will be the value of x? Okay, so you can see here, the value of x is positive 4 and 3. So we can write x is equal to 4 and 3. So that means, so in the given question, they are asking us to find the domain of the function f such that r tends to r defined by f of x is. So there are 4 options. So we need to find which interval it belongs to. So you can see x is equal to 4, 3. So 4, 3 means, which is a smaller one, 3 is the smaller one and 4 is the bigger one. So that means minus x belongs to, that is x belongs to minus, yes, x belongs to minus infinity to 3 and 4 infinity. Yes, this is square bracket closed one. Okay, yes. So you can see x belongs to. Okay, so for this question, option C is the correct answer. Okay, so for this one, option C is the correct answer. Yes.